step into the Dodge 2018 Charger SRT Hellcat. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are wheels, 20-inch x 9.5 inches SRT low-gloss black performance, STD, tires, P275/40 ZR20 AS performance, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic HP90, STD, dual gunmetal stripes, black Hellcat logo Laguna leather seat, Harman Kardon audio group included, 19 Harman Kardon Green Edge speakers, Harman Kardon Green Edge amp, power sunroof, pitch black clear coat and engine, 6.2L supercharged Hemi V8 SRT, STD. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.